It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one.
Gosh, it's so messy. Right, we had a homework. What was it? I'm gonna call Mike. Hey, Michael.
Hey, what's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
That's good. Do you remember the homework Miss Winsby assigned us last week?
You mean the 20 hand gesture drawings?
Yeah, did you finish that?
I'm done, man. I'm finished. I finished it yesterday. You didn't finish it?
No, I finished it.
You just said no.
What?
You just said no.
I finished it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, okay. It's due exactly 10 hours from now.
No.
So, yep. Good luck.
I finished it already.
Okay. See you at school.
Right. God, I've got no time. But first, I'm gonna need to clean up the table. It's a mess. Cup of warm milk shouldn't be bad. Oh my god. God, think, Brad, think. It is 1 a.m. and the class starts at 8. That means I need to create 2 hand drawings per hour no matter what. What should I do? I can pull it off. It's fine. Why would Miss Winsby even expect students to complete 20 drawings? We're here to learn, not show off our skills. I'm gonna report this to the school council. Michael? Thank you, Michael! God praise this man. What everyone gets wrong drawing hands. Critiques.
Hello, welcome to Proko. My name's Stan Prokopenko. This is gonna be a hand critique video. Sorry for the little extend from the palm box.
Kim Jong-un. Master Kim Jong-un.
안녕하십니까. hello, yes.
You weasel. I've got 4 hours left. 3 hours and 58 minutes to be precise. Abraham Lincoln said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." I need a plan. That's what I need. What should I do? I need a cup of coffee. That's what I need. A cup of coffee should be fine. 4:30. I'm gonna copy some Google examples. Just for an hour. Just for an hour. Just for an hour.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, no, or a man who makes potions in a traveling shoe. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, yeah, and this one's for you.
Mom!
You can
Not
tell
going to school today.
everybody
It's Pro D Day.
this is your song. It may be quiet,